Hello people, welcome to day 8 of the 14 days challenge to an organized business. I'm Kasie Gray, your homegirl, broker, associate, the owner of basically Kasie, and today I am going to talk to you about Quickbooks and how I have mine set up and what you can do to keep yours in check, why I love Quickbooks, self-employed, and some more info. So if you do not already, I'm sure your accountant would love it if you got Quickbooks, or ask them what they want you to organize all your info. And Quickbooks is wonderful because it connects to your app on your phone and the website, so you can use both wherever you're at. If you have the app on your phone, it will track your mileage, so you can just leave it running and then you can mark whether it's personal or for work, which is wonderful, so you're not having to keep track of that. And then when it comes to money-wise, you can connect your business account, and everyone should have a business account and a personal account separate so that, you know, you're running a real business and not just your own funds. So what I highly suggest is creating a business account just for business purposes and getting all of your commission checks deposited in there, and then paying yourself from that account, and then using your specific card for those expenses. Or some people like to have a credit card because if there's fraud or issues, then it's easier to get that taken care of with credit card. But that's how I have mine set up. So make sure to go into QuickBooks. I have mine set up in one of my non-negotiables, for which we'll talk about in the next video, and that is to check QuickBooks once a week to mark the transactions as personal or work. They should all be work, but to mark them and put them in the categories. So I highly suggest setting up your QuickBooks account. If you don't have one yet, there will be a discount code in the description box, but I highly recommend setting up your QuickBooks, and you can get a bunch of reports from there for the end of the year, you know, based off of the type of expenses. Your accountant will likely appreciate you so much if you just provided them that. And then on the app as well, you can go into the transaction and upload a receipt, so you don't have to save the receipts. It's wonderful. So on the app, you can see there's the dashboard. It has your income for the month or for the year, and then you can see your mileage, and then you can see the accounts that you have hooked up to it, and then you have your connection, or you have your transactions, and you can go and sort it through different amounts, which is wonderful if you're trying to track what kind of commissions you brought in. You can sort it by, you know, high transactions because that's probably your commissions, and then you can see the dates and everything when you receive that, and then your mileage. It can sort trips automatically, and you can see it says, you know, you went from this address to this address. Is that, you know, the potential deduction is $318. Is that a work deduction or a personal deduction? So, not a personal deduction. Personal doesn't get deducted, but I love QuickBooks for that reason. You can send invoices that way, and then you can see your annual taxes, what type of spending the categories is. So, you know, $249 on a car and truck, so that's, you know, not tickets, you can't write off tickets. That's like parking fees and toll fees and maintenance, if any, and then home office expenses, meals, office expenses, rent and lease, utilities, and then other deductions. So I highly recommend your taxes, and then it will have your quarterly taxes, and it will show you how much your estimated quarterly tax is. But I don't always like to go off that because sometimes we make more or less throughout the year. So definitely consult with your CPA, but I love QuickBooks for that reason. If you have any questions regarding that, let me know, but go in there, get all of your transactions cleared out, do some work, and create those rules, connect your accounts, and get your QuickBooks ready to go for the new year, so that every week you have a few transactions to check off and you're not feeling overwhelmed and So thanks so much for watching. If you don't already yet, go make sure to pre-order your planner. We are almost done with this challenge, and I'm sure you're gonna want this bad boy to set some goals in. So go do that. And if you have any questions at all regarding your real estate business, feel free to drop a comment down below, and make sure to join our Facebook group if you're not already watching it from there. And I can't wait to see how your business flourishes this year. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.